If the tomato leaves start to fade and dry like this, react immediately. The cause can be mites, also known as red spider mites. When it's hot, they hide under the leaves and reproduce quickly. And when you see this fine cobweb, the attack is already serious. The treatment should be prepared as soon as you notice the first signs. I need water and potassium soap. Use potassium soap, intended for plants. In 1 liter of water, I add 1 spoonful of potassium soap. I stir until the potassium soap dissolves. I pour the dissolved potassium soap into the sprayer. Write me in the comments, from which country are you watching me? It's nice to know that we are watching each other all over the world. The most important thing is where you spray. Mites mostly hide under the leaves. That is why it is not enough to spray the plant only from above. Treat the plants in the evening when the sun no longer hits the leaves directly. First, rinse them well with plain water, especially on the underside. This will remove most of the mites and cobwebs. When the excess water is drained, apply the prepared potassium soap solution. Never spray the plants in strong sunlight and the highest heat. If you like the video, leave me a heart in the comment and like. Thank you, dear friends.